In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view implied volatility in Thinkorswim. If you trade options, implied volatility is an important metric to keep an eye on because it helps you understand how much movement the market is expecting in a stock or ETF. In Thinkorswim, you can display that information directly in the option chain, which makes it much easier to compare contracts at a glance. To get started, open Thinkorswim desktop and make sure the platform has fully loaded. Once you're in, go to the Trade tab. This is where you can access quotes, option chains, and related trading tools for a specific symbol. From there, select All Products. This section gives you a full view of the instrument you're researching, along with its available options. Next, enter the stock symbol you want to analyze. You can use any valid ticker, such as a large cap stock or a broad market ETF, depending on what you're tracking. After entering the symbol, locate the option chain and expand it, so you can see the available expiration dates and strike prices. If the chain is collapsed, you won't be able to adjust the columns, so make sure it's open and visible on your screen. Now look toward the top right area of the option chain and click the gear icon. This opens the customization window for the columns shown in the chain. If you've never used this menu before, this is where you can control which data points appear for each option contract. Inside the customization panel, search for Imp Volatility. In some layouts, you may also find it grouped under Theo Price and Greeks, so either search term can help you find the right field more quickly. Once you locate Imp Volatility, add it to the displayed columns. After that, click OK to confirm your changes. The option chain will refresh, and you should now see implied volatility listed for each option contract. This allows you to compare contracts more efficiently without opening each one individually. As a quick tip, make sure you're looking at the correct expiration and strike when interpreting the numbers, since implied volatility can vary from contract to contract. Once the column is enabled, you'll be able to review that data directly in the chain whenever you're analyzing options